Beautiful people, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and if you're a returning subscriber, we'll love you as usual. So in this video today, we'll be talking about 5 streams of income that you can use to make at least 5,000 naira daily here in Nigeria. In fact, from anywhere you are in the world, because basically this is just like an online stream of income. But before then, please beware of scammers. You see people coming under the comment section to drop their phone numbers, their contact details. That is not me. I will never do that. And please don't pay anybody for forex trading, or I'm not into trading, so please do not pay anybody for an investment scheme or for any trading whatever. Actually, what led to this video is actually one of our subscribers that reached out to me, and I don't know if I should share this because he or she might be watching, but if you feel offended, I'm really sorry. But the lady reached out to me and said she wants to know the streams of income that I use to make money online, because she's just a lady like me and she's a mother. So she wants to know what I do online and make money exactly. And I said, okay. But before then, she said that she didn't have call card to watch some of my videos, or she didn't have call card, that I should please help her with call card, considering the economy of this Nigeria, whatever. So I should please help her with call card, and she would in return convert it to data and use it to watch videos online. And I was kind of touched, and then I felt like, okay, why not just try and do like a recharge card giveaway on your channel. Please, it is very small, but then again, it is my money. Don't get me wrong, it is very small, but then again, it is my money. So if you want me to send you recharge card, drop your numbers in the comment section, and please state if it's MTN or Glo. State if it is MTN or Glo, and in my next video I will do random selection that you guys will see and witness, and we will charge for each and every one of you that have been picked. Please, this is just me buying like a pack for giveaway. This is just me buying like a pack for giveaway. Please do not be offended if you don't get it now. You will get another time, but make sure you drop your phone numbers and the network you are using in the comment section, and please be a subscriber. So without wasting much of our time, the 5 streams of income that you can use to make money online, that I legitimately use to make money online. The first one is YouTube. This video that you're watching online right now, they're paying me. Now. What you just need, because some people will say, well, what do I need? You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, which you can easily attain with consistency. You understand? Consistency. Like I said, if you have not watched some of my videos about how you can make money online with YouTube, or how to start YouTube making money online, I have a video that talks about that. You can just sign up on YouTube, start uploading, then you grow gradually as you go on YouTube. Now, my second stream of income here is, there is barely anybody on YouTube that has at least 10,000 subscribers. Yes, that doesn't do affiliate marketing, whether in one way or the other. If you refer somebody to buy someone's product, it is affiliate marketing. I don't know if there are a lot of free websites out there, but then again, I know of these free websites that you can start your affiliate marketing journey. But please build a community if you are looking to start affiliate marketing. So you can start with Expertnia, DigiStem, Seller, and all of that. You understand? Now another way I make money is through doing tax. Now, doing tax, a lot of you know I don't have time, but I have someone I give my phone to just do those tax and play along with it. You understand? And I get paid, especially with referral commission as well. Tax like following a social media account, liking a post, commenting, you get paid. It is not much, but if you do it consistently, you will get paid. And also you refer people. You understand? So there again, you can go on Outfit and sign up, or go on owodeli.com and sign up. Those are legit websites. Now, the first one here, because I don't want this video to be too lengthy, so I'm trying to bring it down. The first one here is online coaching. You understand? It's online coaching. A lot of people are confused about what it means to make money online. So they reach out to me, buy my time. This thing that you are getting for free here, some people buy it from me. They buy my time to discuss and talk and reconstruct their mindset when it comes to make money online. Some of you, you know you want to make money online, but then again, once you start, you give it like a month, you give up. You give it like a month, you give up. But you don't know that this thing requires time, process, consistency. So, and these are the things we discuss in the online coaching. You understand? I cannot mentor you because a lot of people, I have a lot of people around me that are into a lot of things, and I cannot be into a lot of things at the same time. So I can only structure your mindset into what you should do and what you should not do. If you're looking for someone to coach you on, you know, how you can start making money online, your mindset. Basically, I do it on mindset, and I help you to choose a niche, especially on YouTube from our discussion. All you need to do is to buy time and we'll discuss at length on video call. So the first one, last but not the least, that you can use to make money right here in Nigeria is farming. A lot of people think farming is a dirty business, right? I know. But then again, being educated is like a way of you seeing farming. It's like you putting your education into action. I did not study agriculture in school, so do not use that as an excuse. I'm a pig farmer, so let me do an estimate for you. Let's assume now you get 2 souls, that's 2 female pigs, and you get 1 boar, that's a male pig. Now those 2 female pigs and a male pig, if you get the right breed, in 6 months they should reach the level of mating, like crossing. You understand? In 6 months they should reach the level of crossing. If you get a good breed, I have been into piggery for quite a very long time, and I know that getting a good breed is your sure way to make money online. While I talk, you see a video right here while I talk, a video of one of my farms, or one of the rooms in my farms. You understand? So getting a good breed, maybe Camboro, Duroc, if you don't know how to identify a good breed or how to get a good breed, join our Telegram group. Reach out to me. I supply piglets, very good breeds. They are not cheap though, but they are your starting point to making money in pig farming. And I also tell you about the feed formulation that you will use to help yourself and grow. You understand? So for instance, one of my pigs actually gave birth to 18 piglets. 18! So imagine I struggle and I train those 18 piglets and I sell one. I sell one for 100,000. Now a pig per kg is around 1215. So let's just assume approximately in 6 months I'm about to sell one for 100,000. So that's like 1.8 in 6 months. As a corporate worker in Nigeria, how many of you earn 1.8 M in 6 months? Even if that you are in business, you need your investment and everything. Tell me if you earn 1.8 million in 6 months. The only thing I have to remove there is the feeding. So at least if I spend like 800K or 600 on feeding, and I still have like 1.2 M as my gain. You understand? Now that money is for 18 or more piglets. If you are wearing even more, you are lucky because you'll be spending the same amount of money. Now if you have root over, PKC, viewing waste, those will make it easier for you. If you even have cassava, they eat cassava and cassava gives them fast growth, like turn up. I'm telling you a secret that nobody will share to you. So if you are looking to go into pig farming and you do not have any knowledge about it, reach out to me. I can coach you on that. The thing is not much, but I do coaching on that as well. Now, you don't need to be an agricultural guru or anything to go into pig farming. You can just do it at the back of your house. Please do not worry about the smell, because once when you clean it up every day, so there is basically no smell. And if you have sawdust in your area, you enjoy pig farming. It is basically good if you have sawdust in your area. So with that being said, the last source of income is you actually starting an online business, maybe a business that you like. You understand? Probably a clothing store, a fashion store, a furniture store, whatever store that you can start. Start it online. This one is an additional tip. It's going nowhere, although it is actually physical and online as well, because you get to do more sales sometimes online, and you get to do more sales in the physical shop or warehouse or whichever one you call it. With that being said, ensure you drop your phone numbers in the comment section, and please subscribe. Then we'll have what we can use to pick random numbers. Please do not just drop your phone numbers. Make sure you drop your networks as well. If you're using Glo, drop it. If you're using MTN, drop it. Then in the next video, I will do a random selection, and there we go. So guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.